The first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello, today we're going to be working on a Whirlpool Duet model. The model number is on the display. And I have a very interesting story about this. The machine was flashing HF, but the customer thought that it was flashing FH. So she already had this paperwork on top of the machine, and it was telling me that it was flashing FH, but it was really flashing HF, which is vice versa. Now, at first, I went by what she said, and if you read the paperwork that is showing on the picture, it says that it could be the main water valve, it could be the bore, it could be a couple things. So I went and checked all that out, and I find out that everything, it was the filters on the inlet water valve was corroded and has some gunk, and it was filthy, but that was not the issue. The issue it was that it was flashing HF, not FH. So after I ran a load, it did pop the air code, and like I said, it was HF. So this was it was an indication when I went through the paperwork that we have to replace this piece, which is the flow meter sensor. Now I came back and did this repair. I don't have that in camera, but I can tell you guys it's already been a month when I replaced this piece, which is the flow meter sensor. You don't have to replace the pressure switch. Just go ahead and start replacing the flow meter sensor, and that should do the job. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.